Get ready for an awesome tool that's gonna change the way you trade. The CM-EMA Trend Bars Indicator made by Chris Moody. This baby gonna take your analysis to new heights. You might be thinking, what's so great about it? Hang on tight, because you're about to find out. First, open TradingView and load the 5-minute gold chart. But hey, you can use this indicator on any trading pair or time frame you want. Next, head over to the indicator section and look for CM-EMA Trend Bars by Chris Moody. And select it, and the indicator will be added to your chart. You're all set for some killer trend visualizations. Alright, so you got the CM-EMA Trend Bars Indicator. It's time to make it work for you. Don't worry, it's super simple to set it up, even for beginners. Just follow along and you'll be good to go. First up, open the settings window and head over to the input section. And there, change the EMA uptrend settings to 21. Easy peasy, right? Next, hop on over to the Style tab, where you can customize the colors of the bars. Make those bullish bars green and those bearish ones red. That way, you can spot the trends quickly and easily. You can also disable EMA if you want a cleaner looking chart, but I personally like to keep it on. It's all about what works best for you. Now I gotta tell you, sometimes the indicator might give you false signals, but don't worry, I got your back. I'll show you a neat trick to avoid those pesky inaccurate signals, but just keep in mind that at TradeGenius, we've got over 300 free profitable trading strategies that could really up your game. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Back to the strategy. Listen up, traders. I gotta tell you, in on a secret weapon for any killer strategy, the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator. It'll help you confirm trend direction and momentum across different time frames, short term, mid term, and long term. Here's how to set it up for maximum impact. We're gonna use 3 moving averages to get a solid read on the market. First, set the MA1 option to EMA with a 50 period. Keep the time frame normal and pick a color that suits your style. Next, set up the second one to EMA with 100 period, normal time frame, and choose another color. And last but not least, set up the third one to EMA with a 200 period, normal time frame, and give it a unique color. And if you want to customize the line's thickness and style, head over to the Style tab and tweak it to your liking. Once you're happy with your setup, you're all set to go. Alright, let's dive into using the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator to spot trends. We've got 3 moving averages, 50, 100, and 200. Here's how they help identify trend direction and momentum in an uptrend. When the price is above the 50 period EMA, it shows a bullish short-term trend. If it is also above the 100 period EMA, that confirms a bullish mid-term trend, strengthening the uptrend. Finally, when the price is above the 200 period EMA, it indicates a long-term bullish trend, solidifying the overall uptrend. For a downtrend, it's the reverse. When the price is below the 50 period EMA, it signals a bearish short-term trend. If it is also below the 100 period EMA, that confirms a bearish mid-term trend. Lastly, when the price is below the 200 period EMA, it indicates a long-term bearish trend, confirming the overall downtrend. Alright, it's time to put the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator into action. First things first, keep an eye out for changes in the EMA line or bar colors, in case we've got a green bar, signaling a buy opportunity. Next, let's check the MA lines. You'll notice that the signal candle is above the 50, 100 and 200 EMAs, showing an uptrend. With all these conditions lining up, it's time to enter that buy trade. Now, let's talk risk management. For your stop loss, consider using one of the moving average lines based on market conditions. As for the take profit level, try setting it up 1.5 times the risk of the trade. That means if your stop loss is 10 pips away from the entry price, aim for a take profit 15 pips away, maintaining a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And when it comes using the indicator for short trades, the rules are pretty much the same as for long trades, but in reverse. Here's a quick rundown. First, watch for the EMA line or bar colors to change, in case you're looking for a red bar, signaling a sell opportunity. Next, check the MA lines, and you'll see that the signal candles is below the 50, 100 and 200 EMAs, indicating a downtrend. With all the conditions met, it's time to enter that sell trade. As for the risk management, the same principle apply. Use one of the moving average lines for your stop loss based on market conditions. And for your take profit target, maintain that 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. That's a wrap up, folks. Now you know how to combine the CM EMA trend bars indicator with the 10 and 1 different moving averages for smarter trading decisions. Keep practicing and experiencing to find out what works best for your trading style. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recommended video on the screen for more tips and strategies to boost your trading game. Keep learning, keep growing, and happy trading.